From sending money to withdrawing cash to paying your bills, we know how much convenient transactions mean to you. With the UBA Mobile banking app, you can make your banking journey a breeze with a one-stop platform for all your transactions. Right on the home screen of your UBA banking app, you'll find a shortcut section with transfer, M-Pesa, cardless withdrawal, bill, and top-up tabs. For instant cash transfers, click on the transfer tab where you will find your own transfers, local transfers, M-Pesa, cardless withdrawal, and other transfer options. To send money directly to a recipient's M-Pesa, tap on the M-Pesa tab and enter the relevant details. For digital withdrawals, choose the self-cardless withdrawal option and enter the appropriate details. You can even pay your own bills on the Bills tab, which allows you to automate your utility payments by scheduling them. At the bottom of your home screen, there's a fast menu to help you make transfers, pay your bills, top up your airtime and data bundles, and other quick transaction options too. Should you ever need assistance, access our comprehensive customer support on the More option at the bottom of your app home screen. UBA app. All you need at the palm of your hand.